Something new I can't ignore. Every time you're close to me, my heart beats differently. Little things you say and do make me feel something so true. Every moment feels brand new, all because of you. When you look into my eyes, I get lost without a sign. Trying hard to play it cool, but I'm falling into you. I don't know what this could be, but it's taking over me. Every step I try to hide pulls me closer to your side. I've never felt this way before, like my heart is asking more. Every second, every move leads me right back into you. I've never felt this way before, now I can't ignore it anymore. Even if I try to run, you're the only one. Time is moving way too fast, but I want this feeling to last. Every glance, every touch feels like it's a little too much. If this dream is real tonight, I don't wanna lose this light. In this moment, in this view, I just wanna stay with you. I don't know what this could be, but it's taking over me. Every step I try to hide pulls me closer to your side. I've never felt this way before. Everything I'm living for, every heartbeat feels so true. All I want is you. I've never felt this way before, now I know it even more. Even when the night is gone, you're where I belong. Every step I get closer to you feels a little faster, something new. Every moment pulling me through, I'm falling deeper into you. When I see you passing by, something shifts inside my mind. Little smiles,